right, guys, today is all about practice. Practice, practice, practice. So you need a blank piece of paper. I have a printer paper here. You can use a lined paper. Any old paper is fine. You're going to take that paper, pause it if you need to go get one, take that paper and fold it in half this direction. Okay, so you're gonna line it up, fold it in half this way. Make a nice tight crease on this. So I'm gonna really flatten that. Fold in half this way. Now, you ready? We're gonna fold again. Go the opposite direction. So that's going to be this way, okay? As long as you go in the opposite direction of what you did before, you'll be just fine. I'm gonna fold that. I'm gonna put it down on my table and get a nice flat crease, okay? And then one more time, opposite direction again. So don't go this way. You don't want these long skinny boxes. You wanna go this way to give yourself more room to work. So your boxes will be this size. Flatten that again. Okay. And we did that so that we have designated space to work, and we're going to number the space so that we can work through this. So I'm just going to open this back up. I need you to grab a pen or a pencil, and I'm going to show you how to format this. Okay, so you can see I have my crease lines here to separate boxes. In the first box, I just want you to put, you can use this whole box to write the title. This is called Adding and Subtracting task cards. Normally, I would have these cards kind of around the room. You'd pass them, you'd help each other with them. Obviously, right now, that is not advisable for safety reasons, so we're going to do it this way. So now you're going to come over to the next box, and you're going to label it as box 1. See, I just put a 1 up in that corner, and then we're going to keep going right down here. This is going to be 2, 3, keep labeling with me, 4, 5, down here I'm going to get 6 and 7. And I need more, so guess what I can do? Flip that paper over and make it 8, 9, you still with me here? 10, 11, 12, 13, and down here I'm gonna get 14 and 15. Now, the cards paper, it's not actually a paper, it's right there in your assignment. You've got the picture of the cards. They look like this. Notice they're in groups. Each group has an A through E. You can see those. I am going to help you work through one right now and show you exactly how it's set up and what you're supposed to do. So everybody flip your paper back over and come right here to box 3. I'm going to help you with group 3. So on my paper, here I am in box 3, I'm going to write A, B, C, D, and E, all of those in the same box. The very first thing I need to do, so group 3A says 22 minus 25. Anytime I see a subtraction problem, what we're practicing today is changing it to addition and then solving it. So if it says 22 minus 25, I'm going to go 22, copy the first number, change the action to addition, and instead of 25, I'm going to do the opposite, negative 25. I'm actually going to go through first and see for any of these that are subtraction in group 3, I'm going to rewrite them first. Check this out. Group 3, I see A through D are all subtraction, and then E is already addition. So be careful with that. Okay, so B says 22 minus 30, so I'm gonna go 22 plus negative 30. Keep the first number, change the action to addition, and do the opposite. You are adding the opposite. C says 22 minus negative 25, so I'm gonna change that to plus positive 25. D says negative 22 copy the first number, always copy the first number. Negative 22 minus 25, so I'm going to change the action to addition and do negative 25. E, guess what E says? Negative 22 plus 30. It is already addition. Do not change anything. If it's already addition, don't change it, just copy it. That's one of the mistakes students make as we start changing subtraction into addition. You guys start changing everything. If it's already addition, leave it alone. So notice I went through and changed everything. Now I'm actually gonna go through all of these and find the answer. Now I just have to do this. Different signs subtract, take the sign of the one that goes farther. Different signs subtract, take the sign of the one that goes farther. Same signs add, keep the common sign. Same signs add, keep the common sign. Different signs subtract, take the sign of the one that goes farther. I just helped you get group 3 done. If you scroll down under this video, you'll see all the other groups right there in your assignment. Go back to number 1 and do what we just did here. Write down A through E. Rewrite every subtraction problem as addition. If it's already addition, leave it alone. Then go through and do your same signs, different signs rules and solve them all. When you're finished, you will take a picture of your work front and back for me so I can see all the excellent work that you did. You guys got this.